Hello students, in this video we will be discussing a numerical on the studied concept. See the next problem. This is a one simple question on how the joint probability and conditional probability and input and output probabilities are there. To indicate that, I take in a simple problem. Complete the following probability matrix in all possible ways. In all possible ways. The first point you need to understand, it is not a row matrix, so it's not a input side or output side. So maybe it is a joint probability. If it is a joint probability, the total probability should be 1. The total elements probability should be 1. If you add all the probabilities here, see, even though if you take them as a 0, you can see 0.3, 0.7, 1.2, 1.3, 1.6, 1.6, 2, 2.1, 2.3, as well as 5. So 2.8 to 2.9 is there. Approximately more than 1. You can say more than 1, that is guaranteed. 2.8 or 9, that's not a matter. If all probabilities are greater than 1 means the total probabilities, it's not a joint probability matrix. Okay. And what is the next thing possibility? Maybe this is a conditional probability matrix. That is maybe y by x. If it is a y by x, all elements in a row, the total probability in a row should be less than 1. You can see here 0.3, 0.7. Yes, it's looking like less than 1 only. Here also it is coming. So one of the possibilities you can treat it is a conditional probability matrix. What is this value? 0.1, 0.3, 0.7. So remaining A should be 0.3. Next, second row, 0.4, 0.9. B should be 0.1. Here, 0.5, 0.8. C should be 0.2. Here, this is 0.5. D should be another 0.5. Can I call this is a x by y? X by y means column. If you add each and every column, it should be 1 total. By taking these values, 0.4, C 0.2, 0.6, 0.8. No. Here one more thing you can see here. 0.4, 0.9, 1, 2, this is 0.5, 1, 7 is coming, more than 1. So it is not x by y. Only the possibility is conditional probability P of y by x, and the possibilities P of y by x means all each and every row if you have total probability 1. X by y means column should be 1. That is not happened. So it's not x by y. Then answer will be possibility of this is a conditional probability matrix y by x. Clear?